Hey everyone, welcome back. If the bunq app keeps crashing, follow these steps to fix it. Start by fully closing the app, swipe off from your bottom of the screen from the recent apps menu, then swipe it away, reopen it and check if the problem continues. Then restart your phone to clear temporary system glitches that may cause crashes. Then head over to your app store or your Play Store, search for bunq and install the latest version of bunq. Outdated versions may often cause stability issues. Then head over to your system and settings app and then make sure your phone's operating system is also updated. Sometimes crash happens because the software is too old. Then check out your storage space. Go to general, go to low iPhone storage. If your phone is almost full, free up some storage because low memory can cause apps to crash. Then, if nothing works, go ahead and long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for bunq and update the app to the latest version. Then that's how to fix the bunq app's crashing. Subscribe for more quick fixes.